What's good, my people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe. So we've got a different pair of sneakers, the first on this channel, which is a pair of, I'm going to say Saucony, and I'm not going to change the way I say it. I'm just going to keep it to Saucony, and that's it, Saucony. So a pair of Sauconys. This pair is the Ride Millenium. Colorway is white and silver, US 11, UK 10. Let's get straight into this pair. So this is the Ride Millenium sneaker in the white and silver. I'll go through the colors and then I'll discuss it a bit more. So on the sole we've got black, grey and white. You know, probably a pretty standard sole to me. I feel like a pretty standard sole. The back we've got these kind of, it mimics the New Balance, but I don't think they have a function, it's just a design. And then we've got the Saucony logo, and then all white on the midsole, and then all white on the midsole again, and then the little tab, but this time it doesn't say Saucony on there like this bit does. On the back we've got grid. I'll be honest, I don't know what's going on in Saucony universe, so don't know what it means. We've got the little, I'm going to call it Saucony swoosh, the Saucony logo, and then we've got a bit of silver on the back, and then, you know, materials which have a bit of design, silver, mesh, and then again silver. This is stiff, it's not soft, like it's plastic reinforced inside, so quite solid, very solid, if I must say. It's not something easy to push in or anything like that. Then we've got more, you know, mesh and pattern, a bit of leather, a bit of silver on top of the leather. We've got a piece of silver that goes under, mesh, the Saucony swoosh, the mesh again, mesh, a lot of mesh on this shoe because it's I believe to be like a runner sneaker. There's a lot of runners going around, a lot of runners like sneakers which are popping up everywhere. Saucony has been doing runners for a long time, so obviously I had to review. So we've got toe box which mesh, a little logo which is very similar to the New Balance, to be honest, the 2002R, and then we've got the logo that says Saucony, just like stitched in, it's just a cloth logo, and then on the inside Saucony again, just a standard insole. I do like this pair, but I believe it's one of the more cheaper Sauconys that you can buy, so it's more like get what you pay for type of thing with these. The comfort is not crazy up there for me. The New Balances are way more comfortable. I like the shoe, just it's definitely not for me. But yeah, it's definitely not for me. It is a good made shoe, like there's no QC issues unlike certain other companies who shall not be named. Decent materials if I'm honest, but just it's not for me. Comfort is not really up there, so it doesn't warrant me, you know, really having them or keeping them. This bit as well, I think it's quite low. I like a shoe with a bit higher, and just the overall shape is quite like, I don't know if I'm just waffling, but it's quite like flat or like streamlined, or it's not slightly chunky. I prefer a slightly chunkier runner, but maybe I'm just waffling and no one knows what I'm talking about. But yeah, decent shoe to be honest. Not for me. The comfort, there is definitely better comfort out on the market, probably more better comfort out in Saucony themselves, so I definitely need to get a more pricier pair and try them out for the comfort and for the looks. But yeah, I'll post an on foot video so everyone can see what they look like on foot. So you'll watch it in a few moments if you just be patient, and also I'll post it separately so you can watch it separately if you just want to watch that video. I'll say you should watch both, to be honest. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, check out all the other content, and take care, my people.